Ruk ja, you got me conscious, Bubs.
No, you're not conscious.
Okay. Hey guys, welcome to the vlog.
This is yet another weekend with us.
We had a
So-
perfect start to the day. Because of our madam today, we decided to start the day at 2 o'clock.
This guy, I've been awake like since like 9:30, 10, and we started. I was like ready. I was like, let's start the day. This guy, he started on his phone calls, and he was on the call for like 3 to 4 hours, and I was just so done. And then by the time we walked out of the house, it was 2:30 p.m. We haven't even eaten.
मेरे पे झूठे इल्जाम लगाए जा रहे हैं.
कोई झूठे इल्जाम नहीं लगाए जा रहे हैं. इनको बातें करनी है बस, और कुछ नहीं करनी है.
ये बकवास. ठीक है.
He is the diva in our relationship.
नहीं बुरा. ठीक है जो he accepted. हमारी गलती, मेरी गलती थी.
जो भी है. We
Anyways,
finally made it. Let's see. I am irritated.
you're irritated, huh?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Right now we're going to a mall to just like pass time, I guess. Like right now it's like 4 p.m.
It's not for passing time. सबसे पहले we planned for the arcade, but madam didn't want to do arcade, so now we are planning for some emergency backups. So there is a very big mall called as Somerset Collection, Troyman hai, and it's got like two sides to it. So like one side is like the normal side of the mall, and the second side of the mall it's connected by a bridge, and it's like the more ultra luxury, ultra rich brands are in that side of the mall. It's a really pretty mall. Like आधा Michigan उधर आता है चिनकंड, so it's going to be fun for sure.
And उस आधे basic Michigan में हम लोग भी हैं.
For sure, but still, you know, we still enjoy it. We need to still enjoy, you know. But हाँ,
So that's where we are headed.
yep, for now. And then we'll keep you updated, guys, if the plans change after that. हमारा दिन बहुत लेट जा रहा है actually.
Apparently.
It's all about attitude, guys. लेट जाना, नहीं जाना, not a attitude लेट होना चाहिए.
True words of a guy who irritates my entire life.
मैं तो 10 बजे उठ के रेडी था. ठीक है, we'll not talk about it.
शर्म आती है शर्म. Hi guys, we are back from our shopping. I'm sorry we couldn't vlog much. I have like tried to take a few clips here and there, but for some reason there were many people there. So, and I don't know if I'm comfortable enough to like shoot in front of like so many people. But still, you know, we kind of splurged a little bit. So I'm gonna give you a haul. We basically went to 2 stores and we splurged, and
There's no V in it.
that's just me. But there are things for you also. So I'm gonna show you when we go home, like what are things that we like bought. Right now we're going back to home just yet.
We'll tell the best part.
Yeah, we're going to Nihi. Sorry, my brain is frozen still. My eyes are watering. Oh god.
This is like a Indian street food style.
Place like it's like a
It's a Bombay chaat. वो जो Bombay की, what do you say, Bombay की खाओ गली में ऐसा खाना मिलता है ना. It's
I
a
mean,
cow.
obviously it's not that great. Like obviously कि Bombay is already is like something else.
Taste छोड़ दो, because taste US में किधर भी basic Indian खाने का भी match नहीं होता as compared to what India में होता है. But it is something, you know. Like after staying here for so many years, it will basically at least satiate you in some ways or the other.
Yeah, like our taste buds have accustomed.
Sadly enough for it, but हो गया यार अब करना पड़ता है.
So now we're going there, and as you can tell, it's literally like 7:22 right now, but it's like pitch dark outside. So, but yeah, that's the update, right?
Nice.
Catch you in Nikki's. Okay, hi guys. We're in Leahy's right now. And I'm trying to like really embarrass because people are gonna watch my it's fine. Ordered 4 things. So we ordered like safe police and then what all did you order?
You ordered something called methi gota.
That is what I ordered.
And dusra kya? You
Pav
ordered
bhaji.
pav bhaji. I ordered garlic butter vada pav. No, I don't know.
Let's see. That's the safe police one. How
Not bad.
rating out of 10.
See, so I would say on कोई भी रेटिंग कार्ड और अगर फूड की तो यूएस इंडियन फूड की रेटिंग सिस्टम पे बताओ नॉट इंडियन फूड ओके सो यूएस इंडियन फूड के लिए out of 10 this safe puri will get like a 7.5 7.5 7.6 star but it's good actually it's edible.
You gave it he gave it a rating 7.5 and he says it's edible.
Edible in the sense कि
So is 7.5 edible for you?
मतलब जो फूडी लोग उनको समझेगा यार कि ये खा सकते हैं, you know, ये चीज़ें खा सकते हैं. This is eatable, like you can actually enjoy this, you know. After like years of not eating good Indian street side ka safe puri, this is something you can enjoy.
I just heard it.
The safe puri.
Yeah. Sorry, yeah. The safe puri. I don't like safe puris as much. But still, this is average. So I'll give it a
Just give it.
5 out of 10.
Okay.
Okay, now we have our second item. We ordered pav bhaji, which is here. Okay, taste, try, and rate.
Okay. We got it. The pav bhaji को फिर style होता है. First we need to. We're gonna start, you know, like our blogs might also include a lot of food reviews from different restaurants time to time. We wanna like include that part as well, just for the sake of it.
Not the sake of it, we actually do like our critics, like huge food critics.
Yeah,
This
we
guy is like a huge like food critic, like very picky with whatever he eats. Plus he's vegetarian, so you know.
Yeah, but vegetarian too. But I like good food, okay? So
Big guy. It's such a big bite. How's feeling this thing?
it's good, but it's too bland, you know.
Really?
It's a bit bland. Probably namak wamak dal ke थोड़ा better होगा. Okay.
हाँ, try to black touching.
So now she's trying it.
See,
How do you like?
you don't what? I like it. It's like
Oh, you like it that much? For me, it is like a 6 out of 10. Yeah, it's average to be honest, but सबका taste different होगा, right? So she likes it.
Okay, so our final 2 dishes are here. I ordered methi gota. What did you order?
Garlic butter vada pav. Now, it's visually it seems really nice. Visually ऐसा दिखता है. Like, both of these food. Again, it's good.
Spicy? Very?
It's not spicy.
Okay.
It's hot. It's good.
Rating tomato.
तो चटनी की जरूरत है. They've served us with just 2 मीठा chutneys instead of one hara chutney and मीठा chutney. Oh, but like, this is how they presented it to us, right?
Yeah, I need to try.
Okay, now she's her try. It's good. You like it? What's your rating for it? Out of 10.
Out of 10? 8.5.
8.5. You're really generous with things. Mera वापस it's like a good 6.5. 6.5. It's bang average. But the thing is ना, ये लोग ने मेरे को हरी चटनी नहीं दी है तो. Plus जो ये ने दिया है ना, this is too like garlic buttery. मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा buttery हो गया है. Like don't get me wrong, that's what I ordered for, and I got garlic butter. But that is the only thing I can take. वड़ा पाव का taste नहीं आ रहा है इसमें, to be very honest. खाली butter का taste आ रहा है. हाँ, like it's just lacking a lot of flavor. So that's the reason why the 6.5 होगा. But it's a good thing to try if you just want it. Now we are going to try the methi gota. It's called first. Go.
I've broken it up, but think ये try करना है. I'm gonna go down.
I'll have it with the green chutney. This is actually good.
बहुत अच्छा है.
They're fresh banana. Fresh banana. It's not feeling old. It's our taste fresh. Which is I really appreciate.
Yeah, that's the thing what I like too.
It's really fresh. It's really nice.
It's really good, and I will rate it. I will rate it 9.8 actually. Out of 10.
I love your ice cream. 9.8. Yeah, sure. This is out of all of this. This is my highest rating. I दूंगा is 8. 8 for this. 8 is very good for this. 8.1, 8.2 are best.
As I said, he's a very picky. I like it. It has lots of chaat, so
Yeah.
and I love chaat. इसकी पानी पूरी bang on है. Pani puri, I love Mihi's pani puri, but we always come to places and we always like to try like different things. Just abhi ye methi gota hai. Just not having the same, like obviously same things every single time that we are here, right? So, but pani puri amazing hai. Chef's kiss. But
And also, अगर लोग तुम्हें पसंद है, the Bombay grill sandwich is really good.
yeah,
It's like really nice. इसके अलावा तो they have like thalis and other options as well. But don't be wrong. For cheap Indian food, this place is really good. Like I would recommend this for people who want to have just a quick food and they need to like get out to go somewhere. This is a good option to come to. But I would recommend Neil's in Hanoi as one of the better restaurants in the US. Please.
that was on like food review. We're gonna enjoy ourselves and then head back in.
Oh, today.
Hi guys, we're going home now. We're all fed and all tired, and we're gonna go home and chill. We still have like about 30 minutes to go, so we left 30 minutes from South Troy now. And yeah, so bye. Okay guys, before you show what I have got, as you know कि like हम लोग गए थे Somerset and we bought like we went to main 2 stores. We checked out like Zara में कोई sale लगी है 60% off की and 70% off की, but as usual sale में जैसे होता है कि you go in and there is like literally nothing available in your size. So that's what happened to us as well. And the second store I think we went to was L'Occitane, so we bought like a couple of like hand creams and lip balms and stuff like that. But we splurged on this one item and मुझे बहुत दिनों से चाहिए था, and I was like I don't know like what expensive है, लेना है नहीं लेना है, whatever, like you know. And I was just like, you know what, like let's just do it. So we got the new Air Wrap. It is for straight and wavy hair.
This is the Condada 2 version. So I think it's the newer version. Just get it.
Maybe help.
Oh, okay.
अच्छा wait.
You got this? I'll hold it from here. I'll hold it like this.
Shenanigans.
Yeah, the unwrapping experience is not the smoothest. I get it. It's fine.
But it is what it is. But the amount we're paying, it is not.
Yeah, it is quite expensive, guys. For sure.
Oh, I see the color. I'm so excited with the color.
Oh yeah, the color, right?
Yeah.
We didn't even select the color.
No, it's fine. I like this color only. Purple very cheap. Purple and like pink.
But you never know what color inside it is.
No, like you have to go to the store and they can like personalize color for you and everything, and it's more like a premium thing. Because like I've seen like videos जहाँ पे like वो red color का like maroon, blood red maroon color का मिल रहा था Dyson, but I think that is like more like premium.
So guys-
I needed my guy man's help for this, but we achieved it.
So finally we got it out of the box.
So excited. Oh my God. It has like, see, it has like Dyson encryption and everything
Of course, no.
on it, and it's like velvet box. Like that's it. I think I'm too excited for this. Whatever.
It's nice.
And then drum roll. Okay. Oh, I got the one which you can connect to your phone. This is probably the instructions and everything.
Oh, nice color.
Zoom it, zoom it. It's so nice. I love it. Oh my god. Like unwrapping is like fresh one. Already broke the unwrapping, but okay. And also probably will post a review probably a month later or something and just like let you know, okay, like how was my experience overall and everything. But thank you for watching.